do his cooking, and he was the cheapest, like a Jewish people. He know how to save the money. And I'll tell you a little story about Nicola and I. And I loved the man. It was a good my partner best, but we was living in New Jersey in the hotel, and some people come in our room and stole my stuff, like my gold medal and like my all the good stuff. And Nicola, he was only thing he lost. It was his fork, or his spoon, or his plate. He cooked in the room usually, and he was upset. Oh, shit! They take my fork, they take my spoon, they take my plate. But I said, Nicola, who cares about the fork and the spoon and plate? I lost my gold medal, I lost my belt, and you worried about your spoon and your fork or your plate? That day, he was the cheapest Jew, more than any partner I had in the world. That's because Nicola got hit with me that day in New Jersey, because he was crying about a fork, what about a spoon, what about plate, and he didn't care about my gold medal. That day, Nicola was the cheapest, worse than Jew, worse than any cheap wrestler in the world, and Nicola got hit with me that day.